Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making the ultimate seafood dipping sauce. We're gonna make something called Nam Jim seafood or seafood dipping sauce. Dipping sauce is gonna be the most thing you eat with seafood whenever it's crab, shrimp, fish, anything. This is a sauce that you can find at most restaurants in Thailand. A good seafood sauce needs a lot of fresh chili and garlic. It's also a great recipe for everyone who wants the balance of the four main flavors of Thai food: salty, sweet, sour, and spicy. There is all ingredients. This recipe has less ingredients, only fish sauce, garlic, chili, lemon juice, and sugar. This is very simple. I like to do it in a blender, but you can do it in a mortar and pestle. So we add the garlic and chili to the food processor or blender and blend for about 1 minute or until it's broken a little pieces. Garlic and chili is ready, and then we need to do the sauce. We make the lime juice, or you can use lemon juice too, but for this recipe, for the ingredients I will put in the description box below. We add the lime juice for 7 tablespoons with the fish sauce, also the same quantity, 7 tablespoons. For the trick of the seafood dipping sauce is just put fish sauce and lime juice in the same quantity, and then we will adjust the sweetness with the sugar later. Then add the sugar. Today we use the coconut sugar for 1 tablespoon, but you can use also the sugar or brown sugar. And mix everything until it's homogeneous or until the sugar is dissolved. And then we put the garlic and chili. For the chili, you can adjust depend on what spicy, how spicy you like. So you can taste again for the taste that you like and adjust a little bit salty, spiciness, sweet, and sour. I hope you give this try for this recipe. Maybe you like to eat this with your seafood. So if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.